Hello everyone, it's Deb. I'm here for the Lovely Ladies Collaboration 2020, and I'm probably posting about 2 hours late, but at least it's on the right day. We actually don't have a set time, but usually we post around 7 a.m. Eastern, and it's going to be probably closer to 9 by the time this actually uploads. Anyway, I digress. I made 2 cards for you today. And our theme was red, white, and blue. I believe this is July, right? July 1st, red, white, and blue. Okay, so I'll show you the stamps I used. I used these 2 Gorgeous Girl. This one is number 55. It's called All These Words, and I chose it because it has a star right there. Now, different kind of star, I'm sure, and she's listening to words clearly through her headphones, but I made it sort of red, white, and blue and patriotic. And then this one is called number 42, Summer Days, which actually would have worked for our Great American Stash Bash collab yesterday too. And I colored her, except for her hair and stuff, sort of like they did, although theirs looks more vintagey to me. Anyway, those are what I used. So here's the first card. I did use Stampin' Up! Products. These are the Stitch Stars dies. This is Pacific Point blue card, and I think I should have embossed it with something, but I didn't. And anyway, this is the Gorgeous Girl, and I cut her out using a put them away already, a layering oval die, just a regular one. And then all the little stars that pop out of this, plus I die cut this twice, I just didn't use the other one, are on the card, and then these 2 fancy stars as well, and a big star underneath. And I put one of the little stars on her star that she was holding. So that's that. And inside just says, celebrate the best day ever. And that sentiment came out of the Band Together, which is carried over, so it's in the current annual catalog, Celebrate the Best Day Ever, and I just thought that was appropriate for the style of card. Put this down somewhere. And I stamped that in Poppy Parade, and she's colored in light and dark Poppy Parade, light navy, because I didn't have Pacific Point in a Stampin' Blend. Her skin is light and dark petal pink, her hair is bronze, and then the star and the little headband for the ear things are light smoky slate. And then I did use some Wink Estella on the gray of the star before I put this little star down. I might just put some glitter stickles in between to add some texture to the background, like some diamond ones or something, sort of clear, just to add a little pizzazz, and maybe around her oval. I think I might do that. Then the second card, last night on my live, if you were with me, we were using the Stampin' Up! Whale of a Time designer series paper. It has all kinds of fish and whales and ocean and stuff like that. So I just pulled out a piece of paper. It had whales on the other side, but on this side it just had the water in different shades of blue. And I put it on thick Whisper White vertically. I was thinking about turning it into a fun fold, and I just didn't. So I colored her in, and I fussy cut her out. Her little air mattress or whatever is in Night of Navy, and it's stamped on Whisper White. Her little dress is in Real Red, light and dark. The book is in Smoky Slate. And her skin this time is done in ivory. It just comes as a separate marker. Actually, it might be in a combination pack of ivory and bronze now. You maybe can't get them separate, but I think it comes still as ivory and bronze together. And I did use bronze on her hair and then ivory on her skin, because there's a little seashell up here I colored in petal pink, dark I think, which was what I used for her cheeks and around her elbows and stuff. Her hair is done in light and dark So Saffron, And then the little fishies stamped in the water are stamped in real red, and here they are from the Well Done stamp set. And the sentiment, just a little note to say hello, is out of a little lace, and I think it's the only stamp, no, it's one of 2 stamps I've used in this set, but it's a current set. It's really pretty. I need to use that soon, so I might be doing that. So that is, oh, and then the inside I took real red and just took an extra strip of the water and put them down, so we have red, white, and blue on the inside as well. This is real red, and these are die cut with the lovely labels Pick-a-Punch thing. Yeah, and I kind of got them a little off on one side, but anyway, it's all right. Now these blings are Cherry Cobbler, actually, and they're out of the Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels. I didn't have anything in real red yet right now, but I think they go all right with it. It's hard to tell, you know. I can tell because I'm used to looking at the different colors. Cherry Cobbler's a little darker, but oops, sorry, the fish look a little darker too, since they're stamped on the dark water. I have some over there, there, and there's actually some just above the label here. So those are my 2 cards. I hope you enjoyed them. Oh gosh, look, they're both blue. And red and white, which was our theme. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you come back next month on the 1st to see what we make for our lovely ladies collab. Not everybody uses Gorgeous Girls. That just happens to be some of the only things I have to use for this collaboration. So alrighty, that's all I have. I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Have a great week. Bye.